Hello, everybody. It's my pleasure to present to you Nobel İlaç. It's really a pleasure to me because I used to come to Korea very often before the pandemic. But for the last 2 years, I wasn't able to visit Korea. I had very nice friends there. Anyway, let me introduce my company to you. Nobel İlaç is one of the Turkish companies. I hope you get to see the slides now. Turkish companies. My company has started in 1964 in Istanbul. We have a headquarters in Istanbul. We have operating in 20 other countries around Turkey, and we are very proud to export to 50 countries, including European and Asian countries all over the world. We are about 54 years old company. We have 3 research and development centers. We have an active pharmaceutical ingredients research center in Turkey. We have a pharmaceutical R&D center in Turkey, as well as the biopharmaceutical R&D center that I am responsible for it in Turkey as well. We have 6 manufacturing facilities. We can manufacture chemical APIs in Turkey, as well as finished dosage forms in Turkey and Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. And recently we have started our biopharmaceutical manufacturers in Turkey, in the place called Martek. Our annual turnover is about 1 million Turkish liras last year. We are, for the last 16 years, in top 500 companies in Turkey. We employ about 3,000 employees. We have almost 1,500 people working in Turkey and 1,500 people working outside. We have operation in 20 countries, and as I said, we have an export to 50 countries. In this slide that you can see, dark navy blue colors are the places that we do our own organizations. And the blue ones, the light blue ones, that we use export distributors to export our products. These are the several countries, as you can see, from Switzerland to Mongolia, even South Korea, we export our products. We have two of our manufacturing facilities are European GMP certifications. So we are able to sell products in Europe for the last almost 10 years now. These are, our stroke brands and some of the product lines, manufacturing lines. We can manufacture almost everything right now, including the solid form of pharmaceuticals and liquid and semi-solids. And we have a sterile injections right now. At this moment, we are manufacturing sterile cephalosporins, as well as we have another line that we are manufacturing our pharmaceuticals fill and finish operations there. In terms of the brands, in terms of the molecule, we have a prescription products as well as the OTC products. In prescription products, we have one biosimilar that we licensed from European company. We have products for the rare diseases, anti-infectives, and cardiovascular system, and many others. And again, everything is manufactured according to European and Turkish guidelines or the relevant authorities' guidelines. Our strategy for R&D for the last several years was basically on 3 different areas. One of them is biopharmaceutical area. We have invested in biotechnology since 2014 to initiate the biotechnological ecosystem in Turkey. As a fruit of it, in January 2021, we manufactured our first clinical trial batch in the facilities that we establish. Also, rare diseases are another strategic point for us. We have launched 2 products in Turkish market in 2016. For both of them are very rare diseases. One of them is 100 patients in Turkey. The other one has 700 patients in Turkey. But we manufacture the API as well as the finished dosage form of those products, and they are marketed and they are under registration for different countries now. The very small part of our R&D strategy is new drug discovery and development. Both for chemicals and the biologicals, we have very small projects that initiated in 2009 and 2018, and they are right now in development phase. In terms of Turkey, you're probably going to hear from other Turkish companies in this meeting. There is a lack or not enough manufacturing facilities in Turkey for the biotechnology. Due to that fact, the Turkish government is prioritizing the localization of biotechnology manufacturing in Turkey. As the other countries, Turkish biological market is also increasing every year. In this slide, you can see both biotechnology products as well as the biosimilars share of it, both for in terms of volume and value. It's increasing every year, and we are expect that this increase is going to go higher numbers in coming years. As of in 2020, 21% of total Turkish market belongs to biotechnological products, and as I said, it's increasing dramatically. Our biotechnology investment started in 2014, and we wanted to be a regional powerhouse in biotechnology. The main issue was to start our pilot R&D and pilot manufacturing facility, and it says that will be complete. It is already completed in 2019. We have great industry, university collaborations. We are doing our R&D activities in Turkey from vector design to manufacturing. We have right now the mammalian manufacturing facilities in our facility. We can manufacture vaccines, monoclonal antibodies, recombinant plasma proteins, recombinant enzymes, and glycoproteins. Right now, the facility working on SP20 cell, CHO, and HEC 2093 cells. We have disposable bioreactors, and we have a conventional DSP system. As of now, we have a 2 times 1,000 liter facility, but we are working on the expansion of 4 times 2,000 liter facility in coming years. This is the pictures from our R&D facility. We already established 3 different facilities: fill and finish R&D and 2 times 1,000 liter manufacturing facility. We have received, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we have received a call from government to convert our R&D facility to GMP facility, and we did in December 2020. Now our R&D facility is being utilized as a GMP facility to manufacture the vaccines projects that I will talk to you in coming days, coming slides. Along with that, we are also working on our 2 times 1,000 liter facility, commissioning it as we speak. We will apply for GMP in July 2021. Our R&D lab right now is capable of doing 4 to 6 process development of mammalian cell lines every year. We have state-of-the-art equipments in our facility. We can manufacture and we can develop 4 to 6 molecules every year. We have a QC laboratory as well, with different laboratories inside: raw material, bioanalytical, microbiology, bioassay, and stability. Again, this QC laboratory also is established to work on simultaneous analysis of different molecules and production lots in accordance with the Turkish MOH, EMA, and FDA regulations. In terms of our manufacturing facility, we have a multi-product clinical and commercial scale and manufacturing facility design to meet global regulatory standards. We have single-use bioreactors from Sartorius, 2 times 1,000 liter. With single product, we can manufacture up to 40 batches per year. If there is a 3 product changeovers, we can manufacture 35 batches per year. Downstream is also aligned with this production capacity. We have a 3 chromatograph stage system and 1 TFF stage. Again, this facility also can purify single product up to 40 batches and 3 products in 35 batches. Our aim to biotechnology is we will start from the vector design till fill and finish in biotechnology facilities. From everything will be done in our facilities. So right now we are working on this every aspect of this process. We have received several grants from government because, as I mentioned in the beginning, there is a lack of biotechnology manufacturing facilities in Turkey. So we have received the first national biosimilar project from government, and then we have received another grant from original map development projects from government. Recently, last month, we have also received another vaccine development project grant from government. Also, due to the coronavirus, Turkish government has several vaccine R&D projects, and we have received, we are a partner right now with one of the COVID-19 vaccine projects that was started at the Bilkent University and Middle Eastern Training and Technical University in Turkey. I will talk to you about that vaccine studies also. Recently, we have also received 2 grants from 2 governmental projects for 3 biosimilar maps in Turkey, and also 3 projects for local development of 3 biosimilar maps in Turkey. So government trusts us, Turkish government, to see that we are going to be very important part of Turkish biosimilar biotechnological ecosystem. As I mentioned, we have invested over $100 million for this most comprehensive biotechnology R&D center in Turkey. And also, we are in the future. We have already designed 4 times 2,000 liter biotechnology manufacturing facility also in Turkey. In terms of our team, the team is the most important thing for the biotechnology. What we have right now about teams of 73 people, and it's very important for us that we should show that. Our team has the experience of 33 different molecules from 96 different projects, all biotechnological products. The reason for that is our team is consisted of multinational people. We have hired Indian colleagues from India in several lead positions. 22% of our international people comes from India. We have over 80% of our employees are bioengineers. We have almost 50% of female employees, and our graduate education level is 50%, including they have master's and PhD degrees. In terms of how we are going to develop our pipeline, this is where we would like to talk to you about. We want to build the future together. We know that how Korean biotechnology industry has advanced. We've been talking to a lot of Korean companies as we speak to do business together. Let's start with our pipeline. This is our current pipeline. So we have 1 product already launched. This is an in-licensed molecule from Germany. And we've been selling erythropoietin zeta since 2009, and we have over 25% of the market of short-acting insulins, short-acting epoetin in Turkish market. We have, as I mentioned, 2 rare diseases products. These are chemical products. These products are, available for out licensing. Then we have a COVID-19 vaccine. I mentioned to you earlier. We are in the phase 2 stage right now. This vaccine is also a mammalian-based vaccine. So this is also available for out licensing. Then we have 4 early-stage molecular antibodies for mammalian cell-based molecular antibodies. One of them for rare diseases. The other 3 are for oncology indication. Let's talk about a little bit about our vaccine. This is not inactivated or mRNA-based vaccine that it's in the market right now, or adenovirus-based vaccine. This is a virus-like particle vaccines. We call it Covival. The difference of this vaccine is this virus-like particle vaccine contains all 4 membrane proteins of COVID-19. We also augment that with 2 different adjuvants, one of them CpG, the other one is alum. We passed all the preclinical animal studies and phase 1 studies successfully. Right now it's in the phase 2 studies. And there are differences in our advantages of our vaccine. We believe in terms of the manufacturing, there is no life or death COVID virus in process. You don't need the BSL-2 level conditions. You can scale up. It is manufactured in suspension HAK cells. There is no viral DNA or RNA. We were successfully put 4 different proteins on that, 4 membrane proteins. Again, we have a CpG and alum adjuvants that create a balanced immune responses rather than one-sided immune responses. And the most important thing is you can store the vaccine in 2 to 8 degrees. The phase 1 study was completed in original variant, but now we are working on the British variant as well. We developed that British variant as well. This was a very fast track development. Within 5 months of the technology transfer started, we were able to transfer the technology and manufacture the clinical batch in our manufacturing. This is only due to the hard working of our experienced team. And we believe that, this hard work and experience will help us to complete this vaccine, and we will able to launch the product maybe beginning of next year. In our strategy for this meeting, as well as our whole biotechnology strategy, we have 5 different strategies. One is we are looking to license in already launched product that is launched in other countries. We will transfer the technology to fill and finish facility. Then we will move to the technology transfer of the cell line to our facilities. The second strategy that we are following is the product that are not launched yet, but they are in advanced stage of development. We would like to do co-development with these projects with you. And again, we could use the fill and finish facility to manufacture the clinical stage manufacturing or the commercial stage of manufacturing. Then we would like to move to technology transfer of the cell line to our API facility, bio-API facility. Third, we are developing early stage projects like biosimilars, and we are ready to talk to you about if you have a biosimilars in early stage development stages, and we would like to work on that. The fourth one is we are looking for also promising original projects that we could co-develop or we can in-license from you. We are also open to discuss those kind of opportunities. The fifth, that we have a European, Turkish, European associated country, so our facilities is going to be manufacturing a lot of products that you could be able to sell it to Europe. So you could use our facility or on development or manufacturing of your products as well. I wanted to thank you for your attention, and I hope to receive information from your companies as well, and looking forward to meeting you. Thank you so much.